Okay, so I got my Escalade ESV 04. I want to show you this just in case it happens to you. You can fix it. So I'm gonna close the door so it starts beeping. So turn it on. All right, I put the right signal on. Okay, it's blinking. All right, but when I press the brake, see, it gets stuck. When I let go of the brake, it goes back to blinking. But let me show you this. Once I do that, once I press the brake, now the brakes start flashing too. Now right now the top is not blinking, but usually it blinks too. I don't know why not, but look. That's the brake. Top is turned. Top is turned and brake. And all the signals work. So, and then the left is acting up. Sometimes it wants to, sometimes it turns. See, right now it's not turning, see? See? It's not turning. It's acting up. And if I turn right again and I don't press the brake, oh, look at that, it's still doing it. So yeah, it's not supposed to be doing that. So apparently it's the flasher relay. So you just gotta take out the bottom piece. It's only 2 screws, one and one, all the way in the bottom, and pull out, and then that's the flasher relay. Just gotta wiggle it out. Apparently flasher relays in this truck, it's a common problem. I bought one on Amazon for $25. $25. You can go to AutoZone and get it for $75, $77 I think. Now, new flasher relay. Turn left. See? It's working. It's working. See? Turn right. It's blinking. Press the brake. Still blinking. And finito. I saw a lot of you guys having the same issue. At least with this truck, it was just a flasher relay. Alright. Thank you guys for watching.